Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Magical Love Healer. Today I bought a video for you in which you just need a lemon, black pen and name of the person. Do you want to be make subdue or you wanted to make anyone in your control? So you just need these thing only. By applying this, everyone or for whom you are doing, that person always listen to you, always love to you and sending you love, too much love. I think you can't handle it. So I would like to request, if you can handle the love of your lover, then only apply this solution. So first of all, who want to be make or keep their lover or love in their hand or control their hand, then you should need to take this lemon, and now you should need to open the black pen, and in the left hand you should need to take it, and first of all you have to write your name. Carefully watch. First of all you should need to write your name. I am writing here your name. In which language you are comfortable, you can write it over here. Okay. Now you should need to put a plus sign on it. As you can see, I write, and for example I just need to do this. So next step is you should need to write your lover name. Your lover name. Here you can see I am writing. In which language you want it to be write, you can. In English, Urdu, Hindi, any language you should need to write, you can write it here. And I would like to request again, please subscribe our YouTube channel for these kind of videos so that you can make your lover in your life. So now you can see that here is the lemon where I write my name, my lover name. So now I will tell you in which day you will need to do or cast this. Only in Tuesday you should need to cast this within 8 or 12 o'clock in the morning. In the morning you should need to cast this on Tuesday. So now what you need to do after writing the name on the Tuesday, now you should need to cover it like this. What you need to do after writing the name of your lover and like this, you should need to hold like this. Thumb and little finger you should need to connect with each other and hold it for tightly. So now I would like to tell you some following words you should need to cast during holding the lemon. These are the words you should need to say for 11 times. Only 11 times you should need to say this word. Your lover will be madly in love with you, always thinking about you, always send their love to you. So I would like to tell you now, the word is my God of love make my love here you should need to pronounce your lover name. Your lover name you should need to take. My God of love make the name of lover mine forever. Only this word you should need to say, like holding like this. Oh my God of love, make my lover mine forever. Say this 11 times. I will sure that your lover will be contact you within next 1 hour. So I told you Tuesday you should need to do this. Time I told you. What you need to do, everything I told you. What you need to do with this lemon after doing everything. If you're done with the first part, like writing the name of, then saying 11 times these words. So now you should need to hide this. That is a very important part. You should need to listen. Now you should need to hide this lemon. Hide this. Now you should need to hide this lemon so that no one can see or no one can touch. Now spell is cast. If you have any query, you can contact us through WhatsApp, or if you want to ask anything about this or about any part of your life, I would like to thanks to all my viewers who watch my video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel so that we can provide you various important remedy regarding to make your love or any problem solve in your life. Thank you so much.